Kepler's Mission. The universe is a vast place, full of galaxies, planets, and stars. One question that we ask ourselves is if there's life in other planets besides our own planet. Well, this is a hard question to answer because most planets outside our solar system are very far away, and it's not easy to see them with a normal telescope. That's why on March 6, 2009, NASA launched the Kepler spacecraft to hunt and find exoplanets that might look like Earth to study them and see if they might support life. Kepler was built with a lot of new technology, and it was able to discover a few thousand exoplanets. First, Kepler telescope consists of a two-dimensional sensor named focal plane array that catches infrared light. This array is composed by 42 CCDs, and this makes about 95 megapixels for the entire FPA. Kepler is pointing at one particular place on the sky that is between the constellation of Cygnus and Lyra. This part of the sky makes about 4.5 million stars, and the telescope monitors around 160,000 of those stars. When the telescope catches the infrared light from the stars, they look for something called a transit. A transit is when a planet passes in front of its host star and makes the star a little dimmer, and Kepler's job is to detect it when that little dimming happens. Some exoplanets are bigger than others, so scientists can predict how big they are depending on how much light the planet blocks from its host star. Secondly, Kepler confirmed about 2,327 exoplanets and 2,244 exoplanets waiting to be confirmed. But the most important exoplanets that Kepler discovered are the ones that are located in the habitable zone of the host star, because this means that there might be liquid water, and we know that life develops around this condition. The telescope discovered about 30 exoplanets that are about the size of Earth and that are located in a habitable zone. A planet located in this zone goes around the Sun once a year, and the Kepler telescope, along with astronomers, have to watch a certain exoplanet for at least 3 years to confirm that it's located in this zone. One planet that is similar to Earth and lives in the habitable zone is the Kepler 186f planet. It's believed that the planet has a rocky surface and that its high noon is equivalent to 1 hour prior to our sunset. It takes the planet 130 days to go around its host star, and this puts the planet in the zone. This planet is very similar to our planet and is only 10% bigger than the Earth. We still have a long way to go. We are just opening our eyes, as Neil deGrasse Tyson said in his show named The Cosmos. Since day one, human beings were always exploring their surroundings. It's in our DNA to explore the unknown. That's why we're trying to find new planets like ours to see if we can find life or if it can support life. Not in the near future, the sun is going to exhaust all of its energy and is going to die, and it's going to take planet Earth along with it. So finding the habitable planet is going to help our future generations.